I just formulated a pre-poo treatment that will help you with detangling and reduce breakage during wash day. The main ingredients in this formulation are coconut water and aloe vera juice. First, we add the aloe vera. And now we add the coconut water. Aloe vera juice is known for bringing hydration and helping with sleep in hair products, while the coconut water adds lightweight hydration and keeps the formula feeling less heavy, which is perfect for the summer. A lightweight pre-poo treatment that will make your wash day easier and reduce unnecessary breakage. It sounds like a product that you should have in your hair care routine. Let's move to the fun part, adding the gum to the glycerin. If you watch my videos, you already know the reason why I always disperse gums into glycerin. But if it's your first time here, hi! Don't forget to subscribe. I will explain the reason why I always disperse gums into glycerin. Formulators usually disperse gums into glycerin before adding them to the water phase because it helps preventing clumping and gives a smoother hydration. When the gum touches the water directly, the outside hydrates instantly and forms little gel lumps. The inside of those lumps stay dry, making the gum difficult to fully dissolve. So basically, glycerin acts like a wetting and dispersing ingredient. Then we mix. Are you enjoying the video? Don't forget to put a like. And now we're going to add the glycerin and gum mixture to the water phase. This is a very easy and quick recipe. It only involves one phase, so should be easy for anyone to do it at home. And you can be very creative. You can add the pamphonol, honey, extracts, hydrolyzed protein, you name it. Just be creative. You know your hair, you know what your hair likes, you know the ingredients that your hair likes. You can add hydrosols, and that's the beauty of knowing how to make your own products. You can add whatever ingredient you want. The gel is starting to form. That's why I like to work with guar gum. The main reason why I like to work with this gum is because of the sleep. Pre-poos are all about making wash day easier, and this gum helps to create that smooth, slippery texture that makes detangling feel so much better. This tiny ingredient thickens the product and makes the product feel more rich and easier to distribute through the hair. Another amazing ingredient that I decided to add, since I'm not adding any butters and oils, is Eco Sleek. I also decided to add the essential oil blend to add some scent to the product. You should know by now what are my favorite essential oils to use in a blend, but I'll tell you once again: lemongrass and sweet orange. Trust me, you will love this combination. And of course, you can use other fragrance like vanilla, or even use a hydrosol with a scent like rose water. Now let's talk about Eco Sleek. Eco Sleek is a natural ingredient which has great conditioning effects, just as effective as the synthetic silicones. It leaves the hair silky and smooth. As I said before, this product only has one phase. No oils, no butters, no waxes, no emulsifiers. So I had to add a emollient. That's why I added Eco Sleek. The final ingredient is the preservative. Don't forget to add the preservative. It's a very important ingredient. You need to preserve your formulations. If you love to use flaxseed gel or okra gel as a pre-poo treatment, you will love this pre-poo formula. The formula is straightforward to make, beginner friendly, and designed to be more stable and reliable for repeated use. Instead of making a fresh batch of gel every single time, you can create this pre-poo treatment. It is easier to store easier to use and ready whenever wash day comes around. And the goal is not just to make another product. It is to create a formula with enough sleep, hydration, and consistency to make detangling easier, reduce breakage, and make your wash day smoother. Because sometimes convenience is part of the formulation process too. This pre-poo treatment is also designed to nourish, condition, and protect your hair while preparing your hair for the shampoo process. The emollient in the formula works to lock in hydration, soften the cuticle, reduce frizz, and make detangling easier. Here is the final result. A smooth, sleek, rich pre-poo treatment. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!